making some of these mini waffles for the kids. I was gonna see if I could find my gingerbread man one so I could tell y'all if it was a My Mini too. I think it is.
I saw the red one.
Yeah.
In here.
Oh, I see it. I found it.
Where is it?
Back here. Can you hold it for a second?
Yeah, this one's mine.
That one's not a My Mini. I must have gotten it from Aldi. It looks like an Aldi name on it. I'm pretty sure this is an Aldi one, or it might be from Walmart. I'm not sure, but anyway, it has the gingerbread man on the bottom and then just regular waffle on top.
Mom, can I use mine?
Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah, I want to use mine.
When the light turns off, I'll let you close the lid down. How about that?
Okay. Are you seriously using it?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you're using the red one?
Yeah, I'm going to use it. That way I can make two at one time. Since y'all want the little ones.
That one can be for Sissy's. This one can be for mine.
Okay.
I want one.
Okay. This one Titus got at Walmart the other day. It was on clearance for I think it was $6.29. It was $6 and something. I'm gonna fill up the gingerbread man maple syrup container because the kids like to use it. It's almost empty though, so we'll put this maple syrup into here. How about that? Mm-hmm. Okay, now he's all filled up. Oh, they're ready. You want to close it, Manny?
Yeah.
Come on. Don't touch, just touch this very red part right here and close it down, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead. Close it. Yay! I went out to the yard and picked one of the white pumpkins. We're gonna make a white pumpkin pie. I didn't know we had so many.
Got the Christmas music playing back there. We got the pumpkin coming in half here.
I thought we only had 2 white pumpkins out there. We had 3. I hope this will be enough. I need 2 cups.
Keep the seeds, baby. I'm gonna eat these seeds. Right
Okay,
now.
do you think this will be making 2 cups, or do I need to cook 2 white
Probably need
pumpkins?
2 of them, baby.
Okay, would you like to go pick the other one?
In the pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
You ever been dreaming of a white pumpkin pie? I'm dreaming of a white pumpkin pie.
How about
I'll go into Elvis mode now.
Christmas?
See, what you do is make you a little line all the way around.
Right, you're telling that pumpkin.
I'm training this pumpkin right now.
Oh, I think Daddy got this one off the front porch. That was my favorite one. I didn't want to do it yet.
Can I do this one?
Yeah.
Ew, pumpkin smoothie decorated.
I can fit these all on here. It's not going to matter if they kind of lean on each other a little bit.
Cheese.
Snack time for the cheese monster.
La la la.
So now we're just going to take a brush and some oil and brush over our pumpkins, the tops of them, well, the outsides of them. Brush this over. I've got the oven preheating to 375. I think it's ready. And these are going to bake in there for 1 hour. Does she? Yeah, Miss Turkey's always the one, y'all. Sometimes we have to give the other girls and Roosty some of it before we let Miss Turkey see it. She'll gobble it all up.
Oh, she's happy. She's gobbling.
Oh, is that good, Miss Turkey? Did you run everybody else off? I'm not sure if it's that they don't like it as much as she does, or if they fear her whenever we bring it out here. Anything like this, cantaloupe seeds, anything.
Yeah.
She gets really excited. Come on, Roosty. We're the best of friends, eating pumpkin seeds together. Here comes one of the girls. They have to do sneak-ins. They sneak over there and get some. Oh, look, she's leaving it. Miss Turkey is gone. She thought they had something else over there.
Yeah.
False alarm, going back to the pumpkin seeds. So we were going to continue our game of Helenopoly earlier, but Tyler had to go do something else. So we are now on the, third day? It's the Helen, Georgia version. Somebody was asking what it was the other day. I wonder what the longest game of Monopoly ever was. Longest game of Monopoly ever played. 1,680 hours or 70 days. Longest Monopoly game played in a bathtub? Longest Monopoly game played underground? Longest Monopoly game ever in a tree house?
Upside down?
Upside down.
How'd the pieces stick? Did they have a table?
No, they, I guess, were upside down. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness, there's actually a Monopoly game called the longest game ever. The longest, why? All right, pumpkins are done. So I'm gonna let them cool just a little bit and then we'll scrape out the insides to make the puree. Now that I'm looking at this, one pumpkin would have been enough, but I'm just gonna use the other one to make a crustless pumpkin pie too. So we're gonna make one in crust and one no crust. So if you want to try a crustless pie, we made a crustless pumpkin pie. I think it was a pumpkin one a few years ago. Might not have been a pumpkin one. I think it was pumpkin, but we made some kind of crustless pie. You can almost, it's so tender, you can just scoop it out with this measuring cup. The chickens will also love these pumpkin skins if Miss Turkey will let them have some. We'll give them some separate. We've got our 4 cups of pumpkin puree ready there. I am going to strain these with my little strainer. We'll do that when we get ready to mix it in the bowl. We'll pour it through this over the sink and let all the liquid drain out and then add it into the bowl. We'll do the crustless one first. And I'm going to bake it in this little aluminum pie pan. These are left over from Pie Day last year. This is kind of like a Pie Day preview. I've never had a white pumpkin one, so I wanted to try it, you know, before adding it into the pie lineup. I'm gonna go ahead and strain the 2 cups of pumpkin. We'll use this one for the no crust one. You can see, I don't know if y'all, yeah, you can see it dripping out there. So I'm just gonna stir it and kind of mash it and get all that out of there. We'll dump this into the bowl now. For this one, we need 3 eggs. We need half a cup of honey, so I'm going to spray my measuring cup just so this will slide right out of there easily. Okay, we're pouring in the honey.
What all is in the crustless one?
Eggs, pumpkin, honey, milk, maple syrup.
Maple syrup?
And pumpkin pie spice, yeah. A tablespoon of maple syrup. And we need a cup of milk. Can you hand me the milk?
Sure I can.
You come in here and I will get you doing something. This isn't in the recipe, but I kind of feel like adding in some of that egg white powder might.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, I think we're going to add about a tablespoon of that in here.
That just kind of helps bind it, you know, bind it together.
I think just about a tablespoon of it will work, and we need 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, there's 2 teaspoons of the pumpkin pie spice.
That probably puts a little bit of a browner color to it too. See there? Mm-hmm. I just said that before I seen that swirl start, and I knew it would.
Yeah. Now, when we get ready...
Why don't we put a meringue on the top of this one? If I do a meringue, can we put a meringue on the top of this one?
Well, Daddy...
I don't care. I'll do it. If I do the meringue...
You do it.
If I
he
do
leaves
it...
the G out for meringue.
If I do that meringue... Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it, yeah.
Folks, I'm going to do it for you. This will be the first one you've ever seen, crustless and meringue on top, probably. That's going to be a big crust now. That's going to be a thick crust.
Well, it's no crust. What you mean?
Is the pumpkin in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought that was going to be the crust, and I was like, what? And then we're going to put this? Is this pumpkin?
No,
this is the white pumpkin?
That's pumpkin. This is for the one with the crust.
Okay, I thought that was going to be the crust,
No,
and that was going to be, I was like, what?
We're going to put it on a pan, so it'll be easier to put in there.
How will the meringue go on, Mama, if we...
you don't do the meringue until after this is done.
Really?
Yeah, when this is done, then we'll spread the meringue on top and put it back in just for about 5 minutes or so.
Okay. Uh-oh, y'all, I spilled some of mine. Sorry, y'all. Lord have mercy.
Here, I got you right here. I got you.
Sorry, Mama.
That's okay.
Thank you for being such a good sport about this.
Okay, now it's going in the oven. And you know what? It won't take me long to mix up this next one. So here in a minute, I am gonna up the temperature to 400, and we're gonna bake them at 400 for just 15 minutes, and then we'll turn it down to 350 for the rest of the cook time.
Don't you love the holidays?
Oh yes, be careful.
Lots of baking going on. Now, I'm gonna go with the meringue, Mama. How many
No,
eggs?
Daddy, no, you don't need to do that until...
Mama, I'm ready, baby. Put me
I know
in the
you're ready,
game.
but that has to bake for an hour and 15 minutes.
When do I do the meringue?
You'll whip up the meringue whenever that gets done.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'll come back.
You got plenty of time. Now for the crust one, let me put my pie crust in my pie plate first. Get that part done. If you're new and don't know what Pie Day is, that's when we bake all of our holiday pies for the whole holiday season. I was planning on doing it earlier this week, but it didn't happen. So hopefully we'll get to it early next week, because I'm not exactly sure what's going to be going on this weekend, but it's coming soon. We bake all the pies for Thanksgiving, Christmas. We normally have a couple left over by the time New Year's Eve and New Year's Day gets here. I'm just using a store-bought crust.
Mama, are you gonna do a meringue on this one too?
No, this one's gonna have whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. Now, we don't have to pre-bake this crust for this pie, so we're just gonna sit it over to the side. We'll mix up the filling.
So that you already cooked these pumpkins?
Yes, I cooked them in the oven for an hour.
I've never seen this done, really.
Daddy, you need to go watch some. Are you serious?
I'm talking about this kind of pie. It's been a while, I guess.
What?
Where was that?
Just not a white one.
I've never seen a.
Yeah,
I've never
done
seen a white one.
Oh, there's your song, Daddy.
What?
It's Elvis singing Blue Christmas.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes the pumpkin. This one gets 2 eggs and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And 1 teaspoon, only 1 teaspoon in this one, of pumpkin pie spice. And just a 1/4 cup of sugar. And that's it for this one. Really easy. We'll pour it into the crust and put it in the oven, and then I'll set a 15-minute timer, and in 15 minutes we'll cut the heat down to 350.
Folks, that's what's happened to mine. It's almost like a little slice of pizza here.
There it is.
Oh, that's impressive right there now. The look of it.
It's fine. It looks good, Daddy.
You put some whipped cream on hers.
Yeah, I put some whipped cream. See
There
that?
it is. Right there.
Now we'll sprinkle a little cinnamon sugar on top.
Look, mine needs a little help, y'all. Y'all want me to help this thing out a little bit? I'm gonna sprinkle some sprinkles on mine. Look.
Sprinkles, no! That's
This
wrong.
ain't. What have I done? This is everything bagel seasoning. What? Mama. It does look good on there, though. So let's go ahead and try it.
No!
You know what I'm
Oh my
saying? Look at
goodness.
that.
Oh my goodness,
There's a
y'all.
lot of little bird seeds on there or something. All right, let me go get another piece and try this with the right sprinkles.
Cinnamon sugar going on top right
I
here,
made a
y'all.
mess with this thing.
I guess that one's good because Tyler has already cleared it out over there.
Look at mine. That ain't too bad.
Yeah.
It holds together really pretty good to be
Yeah,
crustless.
to be crustless it does, yeah.
That's really good. Now I got to bite this one. That Joker's better. Let's just put it where it's at. That thing's good.
But is that one good?
This is good, yeah. It is. I mean, just flip my whole meringue off.